Today I am going to tell you how to download Cydia without jailbreak. You can see this is Cydia, original version of Cydia. This is iPhone 4 iOS 7.1.2. You can see in settings 7.1.2. Now open Safari. Tap here, paste link which is in description. Go. Loading, please wait. iOS hacks. Here some iOS hacks which you can download easily. Cydia full version, no jailbreak. Download, tap download. Loading, please wait. Click here to download. Click here. Loading, please wait. This is opening. Cydia installer received 18 January 2018. 18 January 2018. It is installed in my device, so I can't install right now. You can see Cydia. Opening Cydia. Okay. Cancel. So guys, please like and subscribe my channel so that I shall give you more hacks about this iPhone 4. Thanks for watching. Thanks.